Essay on my country, Nepal. My country, Nepal, is situated between two large countries, China and India. Nepal is a landlocked country in South Asia. The area of Nepal is 147,181 square kilometer. The density of population in urban region is higher than in rural regions. Similarly, valleys and plains are more densely populated than hilly region. The capital city is Kathmandu. It has three geographical zones: Himalayan, mountain and Terai. We have monsoon climate. It is very cold and dry in winter and hot, stormy and rainy in summer. It is rich in natural beauty and resources. It has long and wide rivers like Koshi, Gandaki and Karnali. We have large lakes like Rupa, Begnas and Rara, etc. Likewise, we have green valleys, lovely waterfalls, etc. It is rich in religious and historical heritages. Lumbini, Gokha, Janakpur, Kathmandu are the famous examples. Nepal is a country of highly diverse and rich geography, culture and regions. The mountainous north has 8 of the world's 10 highest mountains, including the highest Sagarmatha, known in English as Mount Everest, 848 meter, which is about 29,029 feet. The fertile and humid south is heavily urbanized. It contains over 240 peaks more than 20,000 feet, 6,096 meters above sea level. People of many castes and religions live here. About 100 languages are spoken. Our popular foods are dal, bhat, dhindo, gundruk, etc. Dasai, Tihar, Losar, Eid, etc. are the most popular festivals. They observe these festivals very happily. Most people are farmers. They grow rice, corn, wheat, millet, barley, potato, etc. Some people in the cities are businessmen, some have industries. They are very laborious and polite. Due to the rich in natural resources, tourists love to visit your country. They can see endangered birds and animals here. They can see natural beauty too. So tourism is our potential industry. The provinces of Nepal were formed on 20 September 2015 in accordance with Schedule 4 of the Constitution of Nepal. The 7 provinces were formed by grouping the existing districts. The current system of 7 provinces replaced an earlier system where Nepal was divided into 14 zones and 27 district areas. Nepal's standard time is 5 hours and 45 minutes, quicker than GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, that is London time. The national flag of Nepal is unique, all of them. It is the only flag in the world which is not rectangular in shape. The flag is in crimson red in color, which signifies as rhododendron, which is the national flower of Nepal. The border is blue in color, which signifies as peace and harmony. Until 1962, the flag embellishes the sun and the crescent moon had human faces, which signify the unity of the country. The national flower and bird, rhododendron and daffodil respectively. The flag was plumed crown worn by the kings and crossed kukris carried by the Gorkhas for their bravery. The most amazing fact about Nepal is that it does not greet another person with a handshake or a hello. It rather joins their own hands and says namaste, which means I respect you as a person. Nepal is a neighboring country of India, thus Indians do the same when they meet one another. Another amazing fact about Nepal is related to food. If you ever come to Nepal as a tourist, You must try the famous food called momo. It is a delicious dumpling made from flour and water filled with the meat filling. And how can we ever forget the birthplace of Lord Buddha? Lord Buddha was born in Lumni at 500 BC. It is the founder of the religion Buddhism, which covers 9% of the total population. He had four noble truths about pain and sorrows. Also, he had a right path about how to live a proper life. He is still regarded as one who found peace and how the world then has become. Nepal is an agro-based country. About 30% of the people depend on agriculture. Some of the educated people are employed in other sectors such as teaching, office work, business, etc. Although people belong to various social groups and religions, the real practices of unity and diversity, most of the people in Nepal followed Hindu religion, but the people enjoy a right to other religion too. People speak the different language and enjoy different modes of culture and traditions. In Nepal, people respect each other's religion and culture as well. It is said that Hariyo Vanko Nepal ko dhan. Nepal seems to be a beautiful because of the green forest.